Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my class. This is Muhammad Rafiqul Islam, Can Public School and College, Soitpur. Today I will discuss on chapter 3, that is straight line. We have already taken one class. This is my second class on this chapter. I have written one question. I am reading this. Transform the Cartesian equation into polar equation. Here x square minus y square is equal to a square. This is the Cartesian equation. Now I want to transform this Cartesian equation into polar equation. We know the relation between Cartesian equation, Cartesian coordinates and polar coordinates. X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, r is equal to square root x square plus y square. Here r is greater than or equal to 0, that is the value of r is non-negative, and theta is equal to tan inverse y by x. Given x square minus y square is equal to a square, we know x is equal to r cos theta. Here x, this is the Cartesian coordinates, and r theta polar coordinates. Y is equal to r sin theta. Y is Cartesian coordinates and r theta polar coordinates. Putting the value of x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta in 1. From 1 we get r square cos square theta, r square sin square theta is equal to a square. If we take common r square, then we get cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to a square. We know cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. This is the polar equation. Which is the polar equation. Now I want to do another one. Transform the polar equation into Cartesian equation. The polar equation into Cartesian equation. Into Cartesian equation. R square sin to R square sin 2 theta is equal to 2a square. Given r square sin 2 theta is equal to 2a square, we know x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. From 1 we get r square sin 2 theta is equal to, we know, 2 sin theta into cos theta. Two a square. At 2 and 2 will cut from both sides. Then we get r square sin theta cos theta a square, or r sin theta into r cos theta. This is equal to a square. Dear student, you know r sin theta is equal to x and y, and r cos theta, this is equal to x, that is xy is equal to y square. This is the Cartesian equation, which is the Cartesian equation. I am solving one from question 4. First, I am writing this question 4a. Find the abscissa of a point whose ordinate is 6 and which is at 4 units from the point 5, 6. I am reading this question again. Find the abscissa of a point whose ordinate is 6 and which is at 4 units from the point 5, 6. Here ordinate, that is y coordinate, and abscissa is x coordinate. Let the abscissa of a point is A and whose ordinate is 6. So coordinate of the point is A comma 6. Suppose here A 6 and B 5, 6. At A, the coordinate of A comma 6 and coordinate of B here 5 comma 6. The distance between A to B here 4. According to questions, we can write here AB is equal to 4. Therefore, the distance between 2 points A and B is A minus 5 whole square, 6 minus 6 whole square, that is at A minus 5 whole square. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Square and square root will cut, then we get here A minus 5 is equal to 4, that is A is equal to 5 plus 4, 9. So the required abscissa of this point is 9. And answer 9. From another one from B, 4C. If the distances of a point if the distances of the point 4 comma k from the x-axis and the point -5 comma -7 are equal. Find the value of k. I am reading this question here again. If the distances of the point 4 comma k from the x-axis and the point -5 comma -7 are equal, find the value of k. Suppose this is the Cartesian coordinate system. Here this is x-axis, that is xo x dash, and y o y dash b y-axis, x-axis. 4 minus 4 comma k. Suppose 4 k. The distance from 4 comma k to y-axis is equal to the distance from this point. Here minus 5 comma minus 7. These two distances are equal. Here suppose A, this B. Now the distance of the point 4 comma k from the x-axis is, suppose here BC, is equal to ordinate of this point. Here 4 is abscissa and k is ordinate. The distance from B to y-axis will be ordinate of this point, that is BC is equal to k, and the distance between A to B -5 -4 whole square -7 minus k whole square, all are negative, so it will be -5 -4 -9, that is 81. We got a formula here, since all are negative, so this will be 49 plus 14k k square, that is k square 14k 90 130. According to this question, the distance from A to B is equal to the distance from B to x-axis. So according to questions, here AB is equal to BC. Therefore k square plus 14k plus 130 is equal to k. Squaring both sides, then we get k square plus 14k plus 130 is equal to k square. K square and k square will cut, then we get here 14k plus 130 is equal to 0. Therefore 14k is equal to minus 130, or k minus 130 by 14. This will be 65, here 7, that is minus 65 by 7. The value of k is minus 65 by 7. Thank you for watching my class. Stay home, stay safe.